Okay, so very quick tutorial. Here's how to change a headlight on a Mustang GT 2003. You might have a similar model. It should work quite similar. So very easy, no tools required. You see these little notches here? They pull out quite easy. There's one. And another one just here. Once you've done that, this whole assembly will slide out. You might need to give it a little nudge, but there we go. You can see it's connected on by 2 points here. One which connects physically to the light here. You can see the socket is exactly the same, but the opposite. And one for the side lights, just here. There's a tab at the top and bottom. You can pull that out really easy. There's a little latch just at the back there. Pull that out. That'll slowly work its way off. On the back here, you can just turn this piece here to the side. Okay, that slips off. Okay, now we have our assembly off here. We're just taking our new headlight there we wish to put in, and it just slots into that hole just there. You can see there's 3 little notches there on the inside. They just line up with these 3 just here. There's 1, there's 2, and 1 just around the other side there. So line that up. You see there's just a notch there, and that should go in quite snug. So you see I've got a little orange band there. When that disappears, it's all flush. There we go, it's in. So we take our little coil here, that helps keep it in place, and that simply just goes on and goes in these grooves just here. So let's try that. So push that on, give it a turn. You can see it's nice and secure. So exactly the opposite of what we did before. Okay, so now the light's in place. You can see just there. We need to slide it back in, and then we're good to go. So let's take the assembly back out. Okay, let's line it up with the car there. First connect your side light. You see that just slots right in there. Let's focus that. There we go. That just clips in. You can see I lost my top clip off there, but the bottom one seems to hold it pretty fine. Okay, so that's in. Reconnect the headlight back here. So the groove side goes on the bottom. That's in place now. Push that back into place. When you've pushed it back far enough, you can see it's flush with the car there. There we go. And your holes will reopen up just here for those 2 rods to go back in. So let's put those back in there. The hoop side faces towards you, so as you can see it's back in there. And the other one just back in there. A little bit fiddly, but if you give the light a bit of a push, that should slot back in quite easy. So there we go, all ready to go. So let's give it the test of doom. As you can see, we now have lights again. Beautiful.